If it is your first time going to a farmer's market, or you would like to learn some information about farmers markets, you've clicked on the right video. We are going to cover how to find a farmer's market local to you, what to expect on location, good questions to ask vendors, tips for shopping, and reasons to visit nearby markets. To find a farmer's market local to you, start by asking a family member or friend if he or she knows of markets nearby. You can also search online. Localharvest.org is a great website to check out. Under What, enter Farmers Markets, and under Near, enter a town name and state, then hit Search. The website will generate a list of farm stands and markets around the area. The market schedule and location is also posted. Farmers markets are held outdoors and are sometimes located on grassy areas. Be sure to check the weather beforehand to choose appropriate clothing and footwear. Typically, there's a market information booth where you can find details about the vendors and which methods of payment that farmers market accepts. Markets may also have produce voucher programs to double your dollars for SNAP EBT, WIC, FMNP, or senior vouchers. FMNP stands for Farmers Market Nutrition Program, which provides WIC participants with coupons to use at markets. Each vendor has their own booth where they sell their products. You can find other goods besides fruits and vegetables, such as crafts, meats, dairy products, and home canned goods including pickled fruits and vegetables, jam, and salsa. During this time, farmers markets may require face masks and social distancing. Follow prompted guidelines to ensure proper safety. You can tell the vendors what you would like to purchase and they will handle the product for you. I recommend stopping at as many booths as you can for the chance to see all available items. Market vendors are very knowledgeable about their products and farming in general. They are welcome to questions that you may have. Some questions to ask may include, how should I prepare this produce? Do you have any favorite recipes to make using these foods? Where were the crops grown? When was the produce harvested? And simply, what is this? Specify a certain dollar amount you want to spend, and create a list of foods to buy for recipes throughout the week. Consider refrigerator and freezer space for food storage. Vendors sometimes supply single-use plastic bags, but a more eco-friendly and sturdy option would be to bring your own cloth or plastic reusable bags. The farmers sell crops that are safe for you to eat and have all the necessary nutrients. If the produce has slight markings or an odd shape, it will not affect the taste or nutrition of that food. Produce may run out as more people buy from the market throughout the day. Try going early for best variety. Vendors may lower their prices toward the end of the day in hopes of selling all produce. Try going later for the best deals. Shopping at farmers markets helps support local farmers and community, promotes sustainability, and provides you with inexpensive fruits and vegetables picked during peak season so that you get the most amount of vitamins and minerals. Market vendors are friendly, informative, and will help you with any questions or concerns you may have. Farmers markets are open all summer and into the fall season. I encourage you to stop by and pick up some fresh produce. For more information about farmers markets and good recipes to try, visit our YouTube and Facebook pages.